Good day everyone. In the video, we are covering the 5 best home security cameras on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without this buying guide. Now, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Blink Outdoor. The Blink Outdoor is the best home security camera for those looking for a truly wireless option for less than $100. The camera runs off 2 AA batteries, which should last up to 2 years, and communicates wirelessly with a small base station that's connected to your Wi-Fi network. The Blink Outdoor's case is weatherproof, so you can stick it either indoors or outside, and comes with a convenient mounting bracket. While not tops, the 1080p video records is good for the price. While it lacks free cloud storage like the older Blink XT2, you can save videos locally to a USB drive. Cloud storage starts at $3 per month or $30 per year. Because Blink and Ring are owned by Amazon, the Blink app also has a connection to Ring's Neighbors app, where you can see a feed of other incidents in your neighborhood and post videos from your Blink camera. Blink's app is fairly robust, and while it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of Arlo's cameras, this sub $100 has plenty of features for the price. Reasons to buy: inexpensive, weatherproof, good quality video. Reasons to avoid: doesn't work natively with Google Home, no person recognition. Number 2. Our second best pick is Wyze Cam V3. Don't let the low price fool you. The Wyze Cam V3 is the best home security camera for those on a budget. As its name suggests, it can record video at a resolution of 1080p, and while the quality isn't up to the same par as the 4K Arlo Ultra, it's still sharp enough to see who's there. Its color night vision is especially impressive. The Wyze Cam V3 comes with 2 weeks of free cloud storage, though clips are limited to 12 seconds, but it also has a microSD card slot which you can use to enable continuous recording and create time-lapse videos. You can get unlimited length videos and no cooldown periods if you subscribe to Wyze Cam Plus, $1.25 per month per camera. That's cheap but good. Reasons to buy: inexpensive, free 14-day rolling cloud storage, local storage. Reasons to avoid: limited field of view, free cloud storage clips limited to 12 seconds. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ring's Stick-Up Cam Battery. Ring's Stick-Up Cam Battery functions as an outdoor or indoor security camera. It features a minimalist design which can be mounted via its base or back, giving you versatility. Although, if you want to mount it from your ceiling, you will need to buy a separate $20 ceiling mount kit. As it's battery-powered, there's no wires and one charge will last for months according to Ring. It has good coverage on the whole, with the view being wider than it is tall, and features a speaker which allows you to chat to any visitors, or raise the alarm if necessary. It's waterproof to an IPX5 rating and can withstand temperatures of 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees to 45 degrees Celsius, so it can handle the elements. Our only qualms are that you need a subscription to store footage as there's no local storage. It's also only compatible with Alexa at the moment in terms of smart home integration, so not best if you have Google Home or Apple HomeKit. Reasons to buy: slick app, Ring ecosystem and Alexa integration, good battery life, weather resistant. Reasons to avoid: no local storage, useless without subscription, no Google Home or Apple HomeKit integration. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Google Nest Security Cam, wired. The redesigned Nest Cam, indoor, wired, is the latest generation of the celebrated drop cam, one of the first, and one of the best home security cameras, and brings a number of improvements, including a lot of intelligence, such as on-device facial recognition and 3 hours of video storage. Video quality from its 1080p sensor was excellent in both day and night settings. We were also impressed with the audio. Its microphone picked up sounds very well. To really make use of the camera's features, you'll have to shell out for the Nest Aware subscription, which starts at $6 per month, but even without a subscription, you'll get 3 hours of video storage, person detection, and customizable activity zones. Reasons to buy: 3-hour video event history, 5 GHz Wi-Fi radio, advanced motion processing without a subscription, on-device facial recognition, intuitive app. Reasons to avoid: no battery backup, no extra privacy features, only compatible with Google Home. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Google Nest Cam Battery. The well-designed Nest Cam Battery has a simple shape and is one of the easiest home security cameras to install thanks to its magnetic base. Its 1080p camera captures sharp images day and night, and its microphone and speaker made conversations a breeze. The Nest Cam Battery also offers 3 hours of rolling video storage for free, as well as person, vehicle, and animal detection. If you sign up for a Nest Aware subscription, starting at $6 per month, you also get familiar face detection as well as the ability to store up to a month's worth of video. Reasons to buy: great design, very sharp video quality, free person, animal, vehicle detection, 3 hours of video storage free. Reasons to avoid: few accessories. That's all for now. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. That's all for now. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.